Welcome to the third and final part of the series on creating a Power BI report from Primavera for cost distribution and cumulative curves. In the previous videos, we have done the calculation for the planned cost distribution, earned value cost distribution, and forecasted cost distribution. In this video, we shall draw the chart that contains all the distributions and cumulative curves. Again, it is important to emphasize that this video built upon calculated tables created in the previous videos. If you haven't already done so, I highly recommend watching the previous parts. Let's get started. Now let's draw the planned distribution cost, earned value distribution cost, and forecasted distribution cost together. In the first video, we have drawn the planned distribution curves, but it was just for demonstration, for single table. But now I will redraw all the curves. To draw the curves, the x-axis, which presented the months, should be common for the three distribution tables. So I will use monthly calendar table as source of the months in the x-axis. I will link the distribution tables to the table month calendar by end of months as follow. Be sure that link is one too many. Now return to the report. We will use line and clustered column chart visual. X-axis will be grabbed from month calendar table, end months field. For the planned distribution, I will add planned monthly value to column Y axis. Draw cumulative curves by quick measure as discussed before. Selecting running total, based value will be planned value from planned table. Field will be end of the month from calendar monthly table. Create the measure, add it to the chart. If the chart is declined, then edit the measure for the cumulative and change ASC ascending to DESC descending. You can notice that the value x-axis is extended more than the values from the planned table. As the calendar months table contains more dates, let's modify the cumulative curve with condition that to check if the end of the month from the x-axis doesn't exist in the planned table, make the cumulative value blank. In this time, it will not be drawn. After applying the measure, the chart is perfect. Let's activate the secondary axis. Let's add the monthly earned value. Add earned value to the column Y axis. Create the earned value curve by quick measure, running total, based value, earned value monthly distribution from earned value table. Field will be as previous, end of month from monthly calendar table. I have the same problem about extending the value of earned value more than data date. So I will modify also the cumulative measure with the same conditions that we used before, but this time for the end of months in the earned value table. After applying the measure, the chart is perfect. Let me change some colors to make the chart clear. Now let's add the forecasted value. From the forecasted table, we will add forecasted monthly distribution to column y-axis. Create the forecasted cumulative curve by quick measure, running total, base value, forecasted value from forecasted table, modifying the cumulative curve with the same conditions that we used before. After applying the measure, I have another problem. The cumulative curve should start from the earned value and link it to the forecasted value. So let's modify the measure of the cumulative, and I will add the summation of earned value to complete the chart. Sum of forecasted value plus sum of earned value. Now the chart is perfect, but only I want to rearrange the cumulative curves to show the earned value alone above the forecasted cumulative curve. Now we have completed the chart with all distribution. You can customize the chart as required. Attention viewers, I have noticed a discrepancy in the earned value distribution curve. While the current value at the data date is accurate, the in-between values don't align with the exported data from Primavera for the previous intervals. Here is the solution. We can generate a more accurate curve by incorporating data from the previous Primavera exported files, let's say monthly files, and make the distribution again. Want to see this process in action? Leave a comment below requesting a separate video tutorial. If there is enough interest, I will make it happen. Stay tuned and let your voice be heard. Enjoy automation.